Oh, hey, hi, hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to pop in really quick and show you an easy vegan side dish that you can make. This side dish has cauliflower rice as the main component, but you're also going to be adding some peppers. So you're adding some very sweet green peppers, yellow peppers, and red peppers. So let's get into it. Let me just start by saying that this recipe is so simple, but it is so absolutely delicious. It's only 4 ingredients. All you're going to need is cauliflower rice, bell peppers, some olive oil or the oil of your choosing, and a little dash of sea salt. So what you're going to do is go ahead and get your cauliflower rice into the pan. Now you may choose to put your cauliflower into a food processor and make it that way from fresh cauliflower, or you may choose to get some frozen cauliflower rice that's in a bag that all you have to do is steam in the microwave. Do what's best for you. The end result is you having some cauliflower rice. So grab your cauliflower rice, add it to the pan once it's already pretty much tender. You're going to add your sliced green pepper, yellow pepper, and red bell pepper. Add about a cup of that to your cauliflower rice. And then add a little drizzle of olive oil is what I'm using here. You can use avocado oil if that's better for you, or oil of your choosing. And then add just a little dash of sea salt. That's it. Now, the main thing that I want to tell you about this dish is that even though it's very simple and there are only 4 ingredients, when you start to saute all of those things together and when you start to stir it up and the heat gets to it, the flavor from the green pepper, the yellow pepper, and the red bell pepper, the sweetness from it, it just soaks into the cauliflower rice. So that's one of the good things about cauliflower rice when you cook with it. It takes on the taste of the seasonings that you add to it. So it's very similar to like tofu in that regard, or even rice. If you wanted to make this an Asian dish and add some soy sauce, that would be amazing too, or some mushroom sauce. But yeah, in this case, we're just adding those peppers, the olive oil, some sea salt, and you will be very pleasantly surprised at how delicious this side dish tastes. All right, guys, that's all for me tonight. Go ahead and like this video, please, so that the algorithm knows that we are here. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.